Good day, welcome to Multi-Net Design. In the continuation of our 2-bedroom that we were working on, in the last episode we were able to start the elevation, the proper one. So is it the aspect that we focus our attention on. Now we want to increase this facial conduit so that I will have enough so that we go up, the parapet will be able to go up and do something. So let me start by doing it here. So select all the upper walls. So let me just go here by level 3, and then level 3, so I'll be able to choose everything I want to choose. Okay. And this level, only this one is landed. Okay, this is it. So I'm going to click here on Semi-Detach. So I will go back to, so this is what I have. So now what I need to do is to change it. So go to the front elevation, not elevation. So from the north now I need to work on this. So copy, I need to pick this and put it at the, so I need to do edit in place. So I have to edit it. So then go from here, push it up. Okay, as I've done with that, so I need to copy this one too. So duplicate, so one. So it's okay. So you have to a slight different position. So edit this one, and then you say edit to take you to level 3. On the level 3 you do the opening. So what do you do? Select all this one and then they are not useful for. So I'm going to click finish on that part. So the next one is that you are going to click get a 3D again, so that you don't do it on the, don't select from 2D, so that you don't make a mistake. So this is what you have created. So this one now we want to edit it again. So edit this one and say parts. So go back to 3D. So from here you start selecting one after the other. So do one after the other. Okay, so I'll be able to maintain that external references. So you select that and click, you say finish. So you click finish here as well. So go back to the front 3D or elevation. So now this is the last one you need to do. So I'm going to do parts, then come to level 3. So you select this and delete it, select this and delete it, select this one and delete it, select this and delete it, and you click finish. So when you click finish now, and you can imagine what you have created by looking at it from here 3D. So now you need to come up with the extension. So it makes you to stretch this a bit. So then stretch this, push it in. You do the same thing here, push it in again. Good. So click finish here and it's okay. So when you look at it from 3D now, then this one is a solid fan. Now let's move on to the nuts. So click finish so that we'll be able to focus on the aesthetic of this part. So I have done with this one. Now what do I need to do? I need to focus on this one before I start doing something on this. So I will just say edit in place. So what I need is to create. So I've selected this. So I will just pick the plane that I needed. So this is the plane that I always wanted. Okay, so you have selected this for me. So I will work on this one now. So from here, this one is going to start from external parts. So I will select it and say stay here. Okay, so I will drag it to below. So what else I need to do is that I'm going to create then say sorry, all I just think is to create to make sure that the windows are exposed. So I will do that by clicking OK. So I will change this material completely. So select the material. Let me just use aluminum 1 for now. So where the aluminum 1, I will duplicate it, give me aluminum 3, then duplicate by this one, and I will select I'll go to appearance, where I'm going to use siding to do whatever I want to do, body pattern. Then I will change it here, select this and say remove the image. So here I will change the color to my choice. So this is the color I want, a little bit dark in nature. So this one is what I have now. So I will go here, go to level 3 or level 2, sorry, go to level 2, adjust it by reducing the size, understand? So make it 70, just like this 70 like that. Okay, so like this one now, I will now go back to not elevation. So here I will just adjust, pick this one and say 1. So now you edit this by including it. So what we do here is that you offset this one with what? With 300 or 250. Let's say 250. So with that, I think yes, I think we can do with this. So I will divide this into 2. Don't bother. Let me just use what is needed. So click this one. So click this as well, and then you align this to meet up. So you have this within. So what do you need to, because if you close this one, and this is going to make the window to be blind. So I'm going to expose the window again, cancel. So use this by say offset, just use 70 to do that. So this one will serve as the window wood for it, so good for that. So do the same thing here and then good. So you click finish here now, and then you change this aluminium something, then you put it to, yes, let me use this. So this is what I have. So now I will go to level 2, where I'm going to expose it by dragging it out. So here now I'm going to have it like 180, and that is all. So when I look at it from 3D, how what I need to have here. So I can now edit. What I need to do now is to mirror this. So I'm going to mirror this one. Go to start elevation, not elevation, sorry. From the not elevation now you click on mirror and you mirror this one. Good. So stable there. So what else do we need to do? We need to work on this one on the ground floor. So I'm going to bring these two. I'm bringing them down. So say copy, then I'll copy them from here and drop them here. So I will edit them individually while working like this. So I'm going to drag this one down. While I drag this one down, then I work on this one by bringing it down as well. Copy or move, sorry. So you move it to something close down. So I will adjust a bit up. Okay, so what I need to do now is that I will edit extrusion, push it the way I push this one. So push it up like this, push it again, so I will be able to stay at where you want it to be. Okay, I think it's stable. So I will bring this close, move. Let me move it close to this one. Okay, then I can as well move this one, or I leave this one to the chance. So let me leave this one, so that's just like having okay. While I align this one. So the formation of elevation is just a creative impact. All what you need to do is to continue working on what idea you have processed. So okay, I will click this one, finish. So I will select this one now, drag it to the lowest possible, drag this one to inclusive. Okay, so now you can now select there, then go to level 1. All you just need there at level 1 is to pick like this and just join them, connect them here. So what do? Say constraint. So push the match up to that position. So go and take them on 3D. Yes, so it's connected. So this one now you can like adjust if it's too bogus. So like reduce it to like 150. It's like too bogus, so reduce it to like 150. So if it's not okay for you, you can just drag this one down again. Let's quickly do that because I don't fancy the way it's one-sided. So I want to work on that by clicking here. So what do I need to do now is I need to adjust this one by drawing the line. So you adjust by drawing the line. Click here now. So let me click here. Okay. Or let me mirror this one so that I will have what I need to have to. From here it should be something stable for me. Good. So I will remove this. So let me just like click finish, and finish. So let's click and then edit. So finish it. Good. So now what I've done, I'll just select all this one and then mirror and then find the solid profession whether it work or not. So that is it. So look at it from 3D now. This is what we are able to do. So I'm going to click finish, and I think with this one now, this is how far the elevation of this. I want to quickly attend to something that I remember to do now. So please, I will continue in the next tutorial where I'm going to finish it up, the elevation and how the. So that is it. So let's quickly look around whether there's any faults. I think everything is applicably okay. So from the north. So thanks for watching this. So see you in the next tutorial where we are going to work